Hey everyone, Panem here again. Today, we are going to continue in the vibe we had last time we opened a box, and we are going to open a Flames of Destruction Special Edition display box. So last time we opened a Raging Tempest, and it was not good. I mean, we didn't get many good foils, and really, that was disappointing. But this time around, I have this beautiful little box right here. A lot of pink, a lot of yellow, some very flashy colors, and hopefully our pulls will be just as flashy. So a lot of very interesting cards in here, and luckily enough, or unluckily enough, depending on your point of view, these cards are not supposed to be printed in the reprinted, at least, in the Mega Tins this summer, because the sets included are Maximum Crisis, the Duelist, Code of the Duelist, Circuit Break, and Extreme Force. Not this one. So, yeah. We are looking for stuff like Infinite Impermanence, looking for stuff like, Ghost Bell. We're looking for stuff. Basically, most of the secret rares is still interesting. The Nightmares card are still interesting, and yeah. So I'll do this in fast forward. I'll just put 30 packs here and all the promos to the side of it, and I'll see you afterwards. Okay, so, yeah, these are not too great promos. Let's be honest here, the promos are just okay for this special edition, but hey, at least it's better than not getting any bonus cards with the packs. I mean, we are getting 30 packs, and we are basically paying almost the same price as a booster box, which is only 24 packs. So, yeah. Instead of having first edition printed on the cards, we have all these promos and a good deal of packs, more than we would get with a normal booster box. So yeah, it's a little less on the collector's value, but if you are interested in playing, these are more interesting for you guys. So yeah, let's get this started. I feel like it got darker for some reason. Okay, we'll start with this. McKnight, check this out. Wind Up Zane Maintenance and F.A. Don Dragster. Decent start, decent start. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Ghost Bell, nice! Okay, so this is one of the cards I was really hoping for, and we pulled her. Nice. Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. Definitely sleeving this up with our Great Fly. But wow, this is great. So the thing is, this box I got at a very decent price. Instead of paying $90 plus tax, I paid $60. Because actually I was exchanging cards at the store for some store credit. I wanted to buy some single cards, and with the rest of the money I had, I decided to get this special edition with, and basically, link bound, basically, this means that the box cost about $60, and, well, Canadian dollars, and Ghost Bell is about that value. About 50 to 60, around that. At least at the moment I am filming this. So, with one card, we basically made the whole box back. Rainbow Refraction and Trickstar Light Arena. Crystal Conclave, or whatever how you pronounce that. But yeah, very happy to see Ghost Bell, not just because of the value, but also because I love Ghost Girls, and I really wanted to get more of that. Would have been better if it was first edition, but hey. Oh wow, another secret already? Super Team Buddy Force Unite! And Goki Face Turn. Okay, well I guess we'll sleeve it, even though it's just few bucks. Like, I think it's $2 for this secret. It's ridiculous. But hey, we got 2 secrets already. I hope there will be more in there, because this would be a long vid if we only pulled our 2 secrets at the beginning. And don't forget, guys, that this box we opened in order. So this was our 5th pack, so it's only our 2nd special edition on the left side of the display box. I mean, there aren't any ratios per se with special editions, but you should expect at least 2 or 3 secrets, and hopefully there is at least 1 per side. So if we get 2 on one side, there should at least be 1 more on the other side, hopefully. Called by the Grave, nice. Wow, the foils are hitting us! Iron Dragon Tiamaton and Sanctified Dark Lord. This is one of the good, it's actually a very decent hand trap, ultra rare right here. And very happy to get this again. Every time I get one, I'm really happy. I just can't get enough of this. I love the card. There we go, camera focused. I just love this card so much. It looks nice. Come on, light. Give it some love, at least. Do something light. Oh, there we go. Now that's good lighting for this card. Nice. Okay, we'll put it in the back and we'll move on. Because that was only our 6th pack, I believe? Something like that. So yeah, let's continue. This is going great. Nightmare Phoenix and FA winners. We'll put this over here. Nightmare Phoenix still worth a couple bucks even after all this time. And honestly, I understand why. It's a pretty good card. Vampire Sucker, holy crap, guys! 3 secrets on one side. We've been pulling foils like insane luck. Holy crap! Another card I really love and really wanted to get, but never really got my hands on before now. So glad we got one. Look at that. Look at the artwork on this beautiful card. Come on, light. There we go. Oh, wow. I love this, and my vampire decks, zombie decks, and whatever are going to love it too. Awesome. Wow, 3 secret rares already, and we are barely 6 or 7 packs down the box. Jeez. Wow, I hope the other side will be just as lucky. Oh wow, this is a great box. So glad I got my hands on this. Jeez. Degrade Buster and World Legacy Struggle. You know, because it goes well with Awakening. I think we had previously. Awakens. A lot of World Legacy rares in this set. And I think there's one super rare, an ultra rare World Legacy card in here that's also worth a decent bucks. Wind Up Zen Maintenance and Nightmare Mermaid. Not bad, not bad. Decent way to get rid of a Ibly that is stuck on your field if you are not extra linked. It is a very good way, and it's also a good way to draw and send your Ibly out from your deck to your field. Ultra rare Palace of the Elemental Lords and Trickstar Light Arena. Nice. Nice. Look at all those foils. We're not even halfway through and we have 5 foils already. A booster box usually has 7 or 6 actually. So I mean, 1 more foil that's more than a super and we would technically have matched our booster box. And we're not even halfway through this set, this box. World Legacy Sorrow and World Legacy Awakens. Wow, that was a legacy pack. Next pack. Degrade Buster and Vendred and Nima. Really like playing my Vendred deck, guys. I probably will be making a profile if I haven't yet by the time this video is going to be posted. So stay tuned for that if you like Vendreds or zombies in general. Phosphorage the Elemental Lord. Oh, is that... Oh, okay, there's a printing error. Look at that. Little white dot without ink. There must have been a speck of dust or something. World Legacy Struggle again. Protron. Protron! But man, I've been loving this box up to now. Keep it going! Woo! If we get impermanence, this box is divine. Like, one more secret rare, and this box is already pretty... Jeez. Called by the Grave and Nightmare Cerberus. Nice. Backup operator. But like, whew, one more secret, and this box is already at a god tier level, but if it's impermanence, it's definitely godly. Like, that card would make this box opening so much better. Nalu and World Lance. Oh, the lighting kind of went dark. Yeah, I'm kind of still working on the lighting in the studio. For some reason, every time I try something out, it goes well at the beginning, and then it just kind of goes downhill for some reason. Palace again, and Mermaid again. Huh. Neat. That is all I've got to say about that. Neat. We have 3 Ultras and 3 Secrets, which is 6, which is the pull ratio for a booster box, and we are about halfway through. Will we keep seeing beautiful pulls like these? Let's find out. Master Ogre and Anima again. Next pack. La Poila and a Dharma doll, a Dahuma doll, pardon me. Dharma. Who am I kidding? It's Dahuma. Phoenix and FA winners. Okay, we have been pulling a lot of supers in a row now, so I guess that was our luck. Or is it? Nalu and Face Turn? Come on, give us something more. We want to see this become a godly opening. Let's make this a godly opening. Come on. Prompt Horn. Phosphorage and Sekka's Light. Pretty decent rare right there. One of the better ones from this set. Cerberus and Struggle. Come on. Don't give up on us. We will not give up on you. Come on, foils. Rainbow Refraction. Another printing error. Look at that. There is an actual spec on this. It's weird. FA Dark Dragster. We also only have 2 Called by the Graves. So maybe we'll get a playset. Hopefully. I mean, those are pretty nice. Nightmare Cerberus again, and Struggle. Well, about 5 packs left? Yeah, 5 packs left. Almost done with the video, guys. Hopefully we can still pull something cool. World Legacy Sorrow and Great Fly. Not giving up. Come on, Ghost Bell, Vampire Suckers, Buddy Force Unite. Come on, give us some more love. Nightmare Unicorn, nice! 4 secrets in 1 box. Jeez, that is good. Okay, now we have the Godly Box. It's not an impermanence, but it's very nice as well. Love it. Wow. We have been blessed. Only 3 Ultras, but 4 secret rares. Wow. And 3 more packs to go. Maybe, just maybe, we will be blessed some more. Fingers crossed, guys. We can't ask. Oh, wow. Wow. Another Iron Dragon Tiamaton. All our Ultras have been doubled. For For some reason, this one seems darker than the other one. I don't know, it's just the impression I get from it. But it's not. It's weird. Hey, at least we have 2 dragons and 2 palaces. So that's that. We still have 2 packs, guys. I mean, wow, we got 8 foils, which is probably what you would expect out of a 30 packs box, but we have 4 secrets. That is not what you would expect. La Poila Mana and Light Arena. And our final pack of Destiny. Will we see another Called by the Grave? Will we see another secret rare? Or will we just see a super and have had a super time? Let's find out. Let's find out. Nalu and Anima. Okay, well, at least we had very good pulls for the most part. That is awesome. So, quick recap for the rares. I mean, you don't really need one. It's mostly all the same cards multiple times, except for Sika's Light. I believe we only pulled once. And the Synchro at the end also only once. Something like that. For our supers, we have a lot of doubles and such. At least, that's not too bad. I mean, we also did get quite a bit of Nightmare stuff, which is very nice. For our Ultras, we have 2 Tiamaton and 2 Palaces, which honestly, we can't complain about. This is very decent. They are probably some of the best Ultras you can get. Although Goblin would have been even better, these are very nice to get. And for our secret rares, I mean, wow. Just wow. We got Buddy, which is kind of disappointing, but honestly, I can't complain. I mean, that's one more card that we probably would have gotten a poor Ultra instead. We have Nightmare Unicorn, which is lovely. We have Vampire Sucker, which is a card I really wanted to get my hands on more than one time, and at least I've got one. And we got Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. I mean, this right here, like, just these 2 would have cost me the same as getting the box. And there are 2 cards I was interested in getting more of. Obviously, this would have been more my style if it was first edition, but I am still satisfied with this. And, I mean, we got these 2 more cards. We got all these Ultras and all these other supers and stuff like that. And we got 2 Called by the Grave. I mean, can't complain at all. This was one excellent special edition box. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, because I really enjoyed seeing all those secret rares in one box. And until next time, guys, it's been a pleasure, and Panem out.